What's going on, guys? Today I got a package I just ordered, and let's unbox it. Okay, so what I got is, looks like some sort of box that is technically some sort of Nerf gun, and some headphones. What the heck? But I mean, at least I got some headphones. I don't know who sent me this, but nah, I'm just joking. I actually ordered this online on Amazon, and it only costs us like only a couple bucks, and it just came in the mail too. So see what this is all the hype is about. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Wait a minute. Aha. Nice. Cool. And I also have, wow, holy crap. Holy crap, I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty cool. It comes with a silencer. It actually shoots pretty well. And it comes with the darts and stuff like that. Okay, and so after a little bit of, holy crap, it always scares me every time. Not every time though, but luckily I have these magazines that's extra, so that way I can easily shoot of these bullets. Look how tiny they are. If I can get my camera to focus, look at the size comparison. Look at the size of comparison of my my hand. That thing is not even that thing is not even bigger than my finger. It's tinier. Comes with a silencer. And then I can also fast reload, sort of. Oh, I also have the other magazines. Hold up. So now I got 5 magazines for reloading the gun, and I can also listen to music on my phone too on this thing. It's pretty cool. These are some new headphones I just ordered too. It's actually pretty cool. These are some shells that is individually packaged. Holy Batman! Okay, so I spent the last 10 minutes to put all of these darts into the magazines, except this one because I don't have any more ammo for it or any more shells for it. I'm pretty sure I do, I just lose them somewhere. But this is how many darts is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 magazines. And luckily this thing's not even loaded. But it's actually strong compared to the golden pistol that I actually got. I'll show you guys. Okay, so there's the golden pistol. And there's this pistol that I just ordered. So which one do you guys like better? The golden pistol or this pistol? Can't remember what's the name of it. But it actually has some better grip than this one because it hurts my fingers onto this part, like on this curve. This one is a little bit comfortable because, hold up a second, because this thing is a lot more flexible than this one. because this one is just spring. This one is also spring, but has a different sound. So, comment below which one you like best. This pistol or the golden pistol. Leave a comment down below. Hold up a second. Boom. Boom, boom! I actually got 2 silencers now one for this one, and then the other one is for this one, but I gotta go find it. I'll be right back. I don't know where it went now, because pretty sure my brother just took it and then just leave it somewhere. No, I'm talking about the silencer. Silencer. Alright. Anyway, make sure you subscribe, comment down below. Actually, what am I saying? Subscribe, like this video, and comment down below about anything that you want to say, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!